What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the Bomb Can Bastards Good, Bad, and Ugly Product Reviews. I'm your host, the Bomb Can Bastard. Today, we're going to be taking a look at fairing support brackets for the 2015 and later Rushmore style road glides. We're going to be looking specifically at the fairing support bracket that eliminates the crash bar. This is going to be standard in the low boy crash bar kits. Any of you that are looking at that CVO style lower fairing spoiler setup, it's going to be requiring this bracket. So we're going to be comparing the OE Harley bracket versus the TCMT Amazon special bracket. We're going to see if it's really worth the price difference between the $60 Amazon one and the $200 Harley one. So buckle up, let's get into it. Alright, so first things first, I want to clear it up that this is not the first one of these Amazon brackets I got for doing this. We had to warranty out the first one. It showed up, it wasn't made correctly. So this is the second one that we've got. As I stated before, this is like a $60 unit in comparison to the $200 Harley unit. Right out of the box, the tubing wall thickness is noticeably different. The TCMT Amazon bracket, as you would expect, is a thinner wall tubing. You can feel it's a lot lighter. I know everybody in the performance bagger scene is all about weight reduction because less weight means more go fast.
Carbon fiber, Carson's flyer, Cabron's fiber, crabs on fire.
But I don't want some cheap bracket letting everything flop around. So weight reduction really with my bracket's not what we're looking for. Now, the main issue we had with the TCMT bracket when it first showed up was that it was an inch different from one side to the other. And these two brackets here are not parallel. So, I'm sure you're all going to be super shocked that the second one we got from Amazon when TCMT finally decided to send the replacement, it's not any better. So if you look right here, we are not parallel with this bracket at all between here and here. There's probably, it's better than the first one, but that's about a 20-degree difference at least. And we are still a solid 1 inch different between this side and this side. So obviously this thing is not going to work. It would hold the fairing all cockeyed if you could even manipulate it to get these crooked ass brackets to bolt up. The Harley unit is exactly the same length from both sides. Brackets line up perfectly. Looks like it was probably welded by the same robot, so I'm not going to say anything good, bad, or otherwise about that. However, the powder coat is a little bit better. There's a few imperfections in the Harley one, but nothing I'm going to worry about because you're never going to see it. We're right there on the weld brackets. Probably not as clean as it should have been before it went into powder, but again, it's in areas that we're not going to see it, so I really don't care. So at the end of the day, a $200 bracket that fits versus the $60 bracket that doesn't fit. Is it really good? It's pretty fucking ugly. Buy the Harley one or save your money. Until I catch you on the next one, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you can see when we do this shit again. Because if something sucks, I'm gonna fucking tell you. Take care.